Hi there. This is a quick video tutorial to show you how to export your Blackboard course and import it into Canvas. First, select the Blackboard course that you would like to export from. Next, go to Packages and Utilities. Select Export Archive Course. Next, select the Export Package link at the top of the page. Select All in Section 3. Scroll down to about the middle of the screen and you'll see a discussion board option that you want to select the second radial button, include only the forums with no starter posts. This makes certain that you have no student interactions, but you do have the forums that you've created from the previous courses. If you'd like to know the size of your course, select the package size, calculate size, and it will give you a number here. There is a limit to the amount of space that you can take up in Blackboard and in Canvas, so you want to make sure that your file size is relatively small. Once you're finished, click Submit, and a green ribbon comes up at the top of the page that says Success, this action has been queued. An email will be sent when the process is complete. Sometimes this process takes a little bit of time and sometimes it's relatively quick. If you'd like to sit and watch and wait, then you can. Usually I wait about 5 or 10 minutes and then I come back and I hit my refresh button if I don't see a zip file showing on this page. When you click refresh, usually it brings up the zip file. If it doesn't, either your files are really big and it's taking a really long time to zip it all up into a package, or there's a problem. If you have a problem with this, please feel free to contact Faculty Center and any one of the staff will help you. Once you have clicked on the export package and you see this zip file here, click Export File. A dialog box will pop up and give you an option to save the file. Some PCs give you the option to open or save. You always want to save. Go ahead and save it on your desktop or in your downloads files. Once the zip file has been saved and you have your file on your desktop or in your downloads, go to your Canvas account and you want to go to either canvas.instructure. If you're going to the sandbox, it's canvas.instructure.com, and that's your play area where you can build classes and import from Blackboard to see how they go. If you don't already have a new class on your dashboard, you can go here to the right hand side of your screen and you can select Start a New Course. When you select Start a New Course, you name the course. Let's just say it's a sandbox. Leave it private and copyrighted, but you can see that you can make it public if you decided that you wanted to. And you don't need to check the Make Course Publicly Visible because this is just for you to be able to import and develop your course. Click Create a Course and it will now bring you to this next screen. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Settings on the left hand side, and over here on the right hand side you want to select Import Content into this course. Click on the drop down menu and select Blackboard 6789 Export Zip File. Choose your file that you've saved on your desktop or on your downloads folders, and it's going to be named Export something or other zip. Click Open. Now, so you're going to select all content, but you can see that you can also select specific content. If you're going to select specific content, you select this radio button and then you click import, and then after you click import, it will give you the option to select the content that you want to import in. In this case, I'm going to select all content and there's nothing to overwrite or adjust, so I'm going to just select import. It will show you a progress bar as to how far it's gotten on its process. It's relatively quick unless your course is massively huge. Once it completes the running of the import, it will give you a completed status and show you if there's any issues.